Everyone knows the White House, the most protected building in America.
I wasn't supposed to be here. This place hasn't been opened in years. That's Thomas Train? Who left you here? If I don't fix this, no one will. You won't believe the ending. Let's bring it back.
The White House. Once a symbol of power, now just another job. Let's see what secrets this old place is hiding.
For years, it stood empty, a symbol of democracy left to decay. But today, they called it the White House Restoration Unit. But even Thomas couldn't save this place from the ravages of time.
This train might not be completely dead.
We've assessed the situation with the White House Restoration Unit. The corrosion is extensive. We need heavy equipment and specialized personnel on site by tomorrow morning.
The Thomas Train Restoration Unit. After years of silence, the work finally begins.
The extraction team moves in. All right, hook it up right here. Watch your footing on the tile. We cannot afford any mistakes.
The hook must be precisely aligned with the anchor point. As the tension applies, the heavy links shift, and settle.
From the ruins of the past, the future of the White House begins to move forward. The restoration starts now.
Securing the main anchors is critical for the lift.
Looks good back here.
All right, take the tension slowly.
Securing the abandoned White House Restoration Unit required the heaviest machinery available. It's a critical first step in reclaiming the landmark.
The chains are set and the straps are tight. We're adding the final tension now to ensure a stable ride.
The extraction is complete. The Thomas Restoration Unit is now en route to the facility, leaving the ruins of the White House behind. The Thomas Train abandoned White House Restoration Unit has arrived. The long process of bringing this piece of history back to life begins now.
As you can see, the White House Restoration Unit arrived today. We're carefully lowering the engine onto the main bay floor to begin phase one.
The detail work on the White House livery is still visible under the rust.
It is, but the structural integrity is failing here. We'll start with localized neutralization.
The hoist engages, beginning the slow process of lifting the historic engine.
Watch the clearance on the left.
The White House Restoration Unit requires precise work. As we scrape away the rust, we uncover the original patina, layer by painstaking layer.
This is the Thomas Train, White House Restoration Unit. It's heavily oxidized, but we are starting to reveal the original paint underneath.
The steady cascade of water washes away the thick foam, revealing the intricate details and history beneath.
As you can see, the specialized foam immediately starts breaking down the embedded dirt, revealing the historic paint beneath the grime. The impact wrench bites hard into the rusted head. This aggressive vibration is necessary to break the corrosion and free the panel from the main assembly.
Using the industrial hydraulic press at the White House Restoration Unit, we carefully straighten the Thomas Train panel, restoring its precise shape.
As we clear the damaged components, the contrast between the debris and the underlying structure becomes clear.
The full extent of the damage is now clear. Stripped bare, the White House Restoration Unit reveals layers of rust.
To begin the restoration of the Thomas unit, every component was removed and systematically arranged.
Here we see the underside of the Thomas Restoration Unit. It takes immense force and precision engineering to bring the chassis back into perfect alignment.
We start by carefully measuring the new metal. These sheets will replace the heavily corroded sections we salvaged from the unit. Here at the workshop, we're restoring the very foundation of the White House Restoration Unit, ensuring it's stronger than ever.
The integration of these new panels is critical. We're fusing modern steel with the historic frame of the White House Restoration Unit.
The intense heat of the weld begins to fade, leaving a perfectly smooth seam on the Thomas Restoration Unit.
The rust on this historic engine is extensive. We use a high-powered grinder to reveal the original metal underneath.
As you can see, the grinder takes down the high spots, leaving a perfectly smooth surface, ready for the next stage of restoration.
Here we see the precision grinder at work on the Thomas Train White House Restoration Unit, slowly revealing the surface beneath the corrosion.
A new heart for an old friend. This pristine engine represents the culmination of months of work.
With the engine aligned, we apply the final torque to the mounts. This secures the unit firmly to the frame, ensuring stability.
The restoration of the White House Thomas train has been a meticulous process, requiring precision alignment of every new panel.
We're moving from the 80 grit to the 120 now, really starting to smooth out these curves on the dome.
Here we see the application of the soft gray primer, creating a uniform matte surface and preparing the metal for the final coat.
The restoration unit is now fully primed in this smooth, uniform gray. It stands complete, ready for the next stage of the process.
Here we apply the iconic blue base coat. It's a critical step in restoring this historic unit to its former glory.
The application of the clear coat provides a flawless, glass-like finish, enhancing the depth and vibrancy of the restoration unit's paint.
The cinematic slow motion captures the dense mist as the blue coating settles, creating a rich, deep finish. The clear coat immediately begins its self-leveling process. Watch as the ripples smooth out, leaving a flawless...
Blasting away the final remnants of dust, the glossy blue paintwork of the Thomas unit is finally revealed in stunning clarity.
This is the crucial refinement stage. Using 3000 grit sandpaper, we gently smooth the microscopic imperfections in the fully cured enamel. Using the powered polisher on the abandoned White House Restoration Unit, we're removing the swirl patterns and revealing that incredible mirror-like shine.
And here we see the final wipe down of the Thomas Train White House Restoration Unit. The glossy blue surface is now absolutely flawless.
The Thomas Restoration Unit, now gleaming in presidential blue, enters the specialized drying chamber. With the engine block fully rebuilt, the team moves to install the primary drive wheels. This requires absolute precision to ensure the unit runs smoothly.
The worker tightens each bolt in a controlled sequence, applying consistent torque. The wrench clicks slightly as each bolt...
As you can see, we've replaced the old chaotic mess with this structured harness. Every wire is precisely routed and secured.
The chrome trim clicks perfectly into place, aligning seamlessly with the blue panel. A subtle vibration confirms this.
We use a specialized torque tool to ensure these heavy-duty bolts are secured to the chassis. This eliminates play and locks the component firmly in place.
As the final connections are made, the once abandoned cabin begins its transformation into a structured and refined space.
As you can see, the team is meticulously installing the brand new seats. This fresh upholstery provides a modern...
With the restoration complete, the final task is ensuring the White House cabin is absolutely spotless.
A look inside the newly restored cabin. The attention to detail is evident, transforming the space into a modern, functional work of art.
We apply the torque in a precise star pattern to ensure even pressure distribution across the hub before the final calibration.
Here we see the lubrication process, emphasizing the smooth operation and final mechanical refinement of the unit.
The key here is the perfect fit. This is the face for the White House Restoration Unit. Look at that, absolutely seamless. Just needs a quick polish. With the final coat applied, the face is perfectly aligned. A testament to the precision work done right here in the workshop.
The precise alignment of these newly installed body panels on the White House Restoration Unit is flawless. As you can see,
the restoration is complete. The Thomas unit is fully operational for the first time in decades.
The wheel installation for the White House Restoration Unit is complete. Look at that balance, truly a testament to precision engineering.
Welcome to the showcase of the fully restored Thomas. The glossy blue paint and chrome details reflect.
Witness the culmination of meticulous work. A legend reborn, polished and vibrant, ready to steam once more.
We're applying the final emblem now. This Thomas unit is the only one of its kind, and she's finally ready.
As we apply the final polish to the dashboard, the meticulous restoration of this historic Thomas unit is nearly